me again. Now I would like to read with you Pete the Cat Play Ball. Anybody that knows Mrs. Underwood knows she loves baseball. And today was supposed to be opening day for baseball. So I just want to celebrate a little bit by reading a really great story about Pete the Cat playing baseball. So this is called Pete the Cat Play Ball. And it's created by James Dean. Here comes Pete. Pete has a mitt, he has a bat and a ball. What will Pete do today? Soccer? No. Football? No. He's going to play baseball, that's right. Pete will play baseball. Today is the big game. The Rocks are playing the roles. Pete and his team get set. They play catch. They take turns hitting. It is time to play ball. The Rocks bat first. Pete waits for his turn. Crack! The batter hits the ball. He runs to first base. Way to go! Pete cheers. Batter up, says the umpire. Pete goes up to bat. That's so great. Pete's such a good leader, cheering for his teammate. The pitcher throws the ball. Pete swings the bat. He misses the ball. Strike one. The pitcher pitches again. Pete swings too high. Strike two. He gets one more chance. The pitcher winds up. He throws. Pete strikes out. But Pete is not sad. He did his best. Pete's friend Ben is up. Ben hits a home run. Way to go! Cheers, Pete. The Rolls go up to bat. The Rocks go to the field. Crack! Here comes a fly ball. I've got it, calls Pete. Oh, I hope he catches it. The ball hits his mitt, but Pete drops it. Darn, he is not sad. He did his best. That's some proactive thinking. Pete's being a very good leader. Another hit. This time Pete catches it, but he throws it too far. Pete is up at bat again. He wants to hit the ball. The first pitch is too low. Pete does not swing. Ball one. The next pitch is too high. Pete does not swing. Ball two. He gets four. He gets to go to first base. The third pitch is inside, and the fourth pitch is outside. Pete gets 4 balls. That means he can go to first base. Pete wanted to get a hit, but a walk is cool too. Any way you can get on base, it'll help your team. Pete knows that. The next batter gets a hit. Pete runs as fast as he can. Pete wants to score, but he is out at home plate. Poor Pete. Pete is not sad. He did his best. The game is over. The Rocks win 6-3. Way to go, calls Pete. Good game, the Rocks say. Good game, the Rolls say. Pete's team is the Rocks, so he's team 1. Pete did his best. He had fun. What a great game. Happy opening day. Supposed to be opening day. Bye.